Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your teacher Sayyed Shanila. As you all know that I'm teaching English Balbharti, and we are about to begin the fifth chapter of the first unit. And the name of the chapter is the 12 months. So all of you know that there are 12 months in a year. I don't need to explain the heading in detail as everyone is acquainted with 12 months. So let's begin the unit. Once upon a time, in a faraway country, there lived a mother who had two daughters. One was her own child, the other was her stepdaughter. She was very fond of her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. The only reason was that Marukla, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter Helena. See, एक country की बात है. There lived a mother who had two daughters. एक mother थी जिसको two daughters थे. One was her own child. उसकी खुद की daughter थी और एक stepdaughter. Stepdaughter मतलब सौतेली. So she was very fond of her own daughter. मतलब she used to like her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. And the name of the stepdaughter was Marukla, and her own daughter's name was Helena. So Helena किसका नाम था? उसकी खुद की daughter का. और stepdaughter का नाम क्या था? Marukla. She hated her stepdaughter while loved her own daughter. The gentle-hearted Marukla did not know how beautiful she was, and so she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. So Marukla was very gentle-hearted. Gentle-hearted मतलब soft-hearted, नर्म दिल की थी Marukla. And she was very pretty, but उसको नहीं पता था कि वो इतनी pretty और beautiful है. और उसको ये reason भी नहीं पता था why her mother always hated her and cross with her. मतलब उसको क्यों oppose करती थी. So how beautiful she was, and so she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. Now Marukla had to do all the housework. उसको सारा काम करना पड़ता था उसके घर का, like tidying up the cottage. Tidying मतलब putting in everything in order in their home, cooking, washing, spinning. Spinning means fishing. Spinning with a rod. Spinning means fishing with a rod. Weaving and sewing. Weaving मतलब what is weaving mean? Weaving means to weave garments or like crochet और sweaters wool से weave करते ना, बुनना, weave. और sewing मतलब सीना. So Marukla had to do all the housework. उसको सारे काम करना पड़ता. Tidying up the cottage, washing, spinning, cooking, weaving and sewing. She liked work and she did it all without a word of complaint, while Helena spent the time adorning herself and lazing about. So Marukla liked doing work. She used to like doing work, and she used to never complain about all the work she had to do. While Helena जो उसकी real daughter थी, तो she used to do nothing except beautifying. Adorning मतलब beautifying herself. She used to always beautify herself by looking in the mirror and lazing about. Lazing मतलब बस आराम से जिंदगी गुजारना, chill life. So even then, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Marukla every day. इतना काम करने के बाद भी Helena और उसकी मम्मी, उसकी mother, Marukla को हमेशा डांटते रहते थे और abuse करते थे. Every day they used to abuse and scold her every day. They envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. Marukla was very beautiful while Helena wasn't beautiful at all. So they envied her. They were jealous of her. So what did they decide? Helena and her mother decided to throw her out in the freezing cold. They used to live in a European country. So it's always freezing cold and has snow there for 6 to 7 months. So they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold. But my dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow, said poor Marukla. Marukla ने क्या कहा कि so मैरुक्ला को हेलेना ने क्या कहा, हाउ डेयर यू आर्ग्यू विथ मी, हाउ डेयर यू टू आर्ग्यू विथ मी, ऑफ यू गो, ऑफ यू गो मतलब जाओ, जल्दी जाओ, एट वंस सेइंग एंड इफ यू डोंट ब्रिंग मी वायलेट्स फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट आई विल किल यू, सेड हेलेना. उसने उसको थ्रेटन की, सीरियसली बोली कि इफ यू डोंट ब्रिंग वायलेट्स फॉर मी आई विल किल यू. उसने क्या कहा, इफ यू डोंट ब्रिंग वायलेट्स, अगर तुमने फ्लावर्स नहीं लाए, वायलेट्स नहीं लाए, मैं तुम्हें मार दूंगी. Let's see what happened then. What did the stepmother do? वीपिंग मतलब रोते हुए वो जंगल चली गई. The snow lay deep and there wasn't a human footprint. There was so much snow and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen. एक भी ह्यूमन बीइंग का फुटप्रिंट स्नो पे नहीं दिख रहा, क्योंकि अब जब अपन स्नो और सैंड पे चलते तो अपने फुटप्रिंट आते हैं उस पर. So there wasn't anybody footprint there. Marukla wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. Marukla wandered about for a long time. She was very surprised and wandering, घूमने लगी इधर उधर. She was wandering here. She saw a light in the distance. She went towards the glow which came from the top of a mountain. At last कहाँ गई, वहाँ से एक प्लेस से लाइट आ रही थी, तो वो उस साइड गई. From the top of a mountain, light was glimmering. So she went there. A big fire was burning there, and round the fire were 12 stones with 12 men sitting on them. So a big fire was burning there on the top of the mountain. She went there, and what did she see? She saw that around the fire were 12 stones. मतलब बीच में आग लगी है और उसके आजू बाजू 12 स्टोन्स है और उससे 12 men बैठे हुए थे. Few of them had snow white beards, मतलब वो बहुत ज़्यादा बुजुर्ग थे. They were very old. 3 were not so old, 3 were mid-age, मतलब 50s, in their 50s, and 3 were still younger, like 3 were boys, younger. The 3 youngest were the handsomest of them all. They were not speaking, but all sitting silent. जो सबसे छोटे थे, they were most handsome, सबसे good looking थे. They were not speaking, but all sitting silent. These 12 men were the 12 months. What were these 12 months? They were 12 months of the year. So Great January sat highest of all. Great January sat highest of all. He was sitting on a chair higher than others. His hair and beard were as white as snow, and in his hand he held a club. Club means staff, a wooden stick. आपने कार्टून में, you may have seen in the cartoon, they show a club or a staff, जादू की छड़ी जैसा. Okay. So Great January sat highest of all. His hair and beard were as white as snow, and in his hand he held a club. So Marukla was frightened. She stood still for a time in terror, but growing bolder, she went up to them and said, how they were sitting. So Maricela was frightened. She stood still for a time in terror, but growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at your fire." What did she say? Sir, why have you come here, my dear little girl? What are you looking for? What did you say? Him? I'm looking, answered Marukla. So what did she say to the great January? I'm looking for violets. This is all for today. Jazakallah khairan for listening.